Evening, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earthwatch, Friday, June 21, 2024. I'm going through many media reports on the fire in Camaldoli, Italy, next to Campi Flegrei. Apparently, the fire reignited again. So I'm going to go through a bunch of video coverage. I'm going to more or less disprove that there were high winds fanning this fire, and it was caused by arson, was one of the initial reports. So I'm going to take you through a bunch of reports. This is on the west side. It's another one over the ridge, 1.8 kilometers away. You can see by the smoke, it's not being fanned by any winds whatsoever. So this is taken from, so our fires are here on the other side of the ridge. That last video was taken from this vantage point here of this side of the slope on fire. Take a look at another view. Look at this tree. There's no wind, people. A slight breeze. I wouldn't even call it a breeze. There's no wind. This one. And no wind. This is the west side again. And this is approximately here, that video, pointing in this direction. This is the night of the fire. Two fire points from this video. And that is taken from this soccer field here. We have this video here. So we have two separate fire points here and here. This one is on the other side of this ridge. On the other side of the ridge. Over here. Pardon me, excuse me. It's over here on this side. So we have a fire here, here, on the other side of this ridge here. I'm going to stop for a minute, see if I can main fire here, another one on the other side of the ridge. However, there's a series of heat detections in this area here with no fires. And those would be these ones right here, which is nowhere near the fire. So remember, I pointed this out before. Fire here. So actually, just over a kilometer away, we have a series of heat detections all along this face here. So heat detections here, including, as I pointed out before, on the top at one of these houses. And at the bottom, so heat, heat, well away from the fire. Our fire's on the other side of the ridge here, on this side. Fire is okay, radio towers. Our fire is down here. But we have a series of heat detections on the other side of the mountain. And again, as per this report today, fire has reignited again. So as I've shown you in several examples, there's no winds, there's not even a breeze. We have separate fire locations, almost 2 kilometers apart. These fires are not arson. Now look at the smoke. It's not being blown anywhere. That is all, folks.